If HandBrake is giving you a LIBDVDREAD error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to scanning your disk or video source properly. This issue usually happens when HandBrake does not have the right access to the disk drive, or when it's missing the decryption support it needs to read protected media correctly. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to fix it safely and quickly. And if this kind of tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is completely close HandBrake. Make sure it is not just minimized in the background because we want to restart it with the proper permissions. If needed, open Task Manager and confirm that HandBrake is fully closed. Once that is done, go to the HandBrake desktop icon or find the HandBrake executable inside the installation folder, usually in C drive, program files, and then HandBrake. Right-click the app and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because LIBDVDREAD needs direct access to the disk's sectors, and Windows user account control can sometimes block third-party apps from sending the raw read commands they need to communicate with optical drives. Running HandBrake as administrator can give it the elevated access it needs to bypass those system-level restrictions. After launching it as administrator, try scanning your source again and see if the error clears. If the scan now works, then the issue was most likely permission-related. Now, if you are still getting the LIBDVDREAD error, the next thing to check is whether HandBrake has the proper DVD decryption library installed. In many cases, LIBDVDREAD can only read the data if the CSS encryption is unlocked, and without the right decryption support, you may see a message like "Can't open file for reading." To fix that, you need to download the 64-bit LIBDVDCSS-2.dll file. Make sure you get the correct version for your system, because the wrong architecture can cause more problems. Once you have the file, open the HandBrake installation folder again. This is usually the same location where the HandBrake program files are stored. Then simply paste the LIBDVDCSS-2.dll file directly into that folder. This helps HandBrake access the extra library it needs when reading protected disk content. After placing the file there, close HandBrake if it is still open, then reopen it and try scanning the source once more. In many cases, this is enough to resolve the LIBDVDREAD error and let the program read the disk properly. If it still doesn't work right away, double check that the DLL file is in the correct HandBrake folder and that you copied the 64-bit version. Also, make sure you launched HandBrake with administrator privileges, because both steps can matter depending on your Windows setup and drive permissions. The combination of running as administrator and adding the correct decryption library solves this issue for a lot of users. So to quickly recap, first close HandBrake, then run it as administrator, and if needed, download the 64-bit LIBDVDCSS-2.dll file and paste it into the HandBrake installation folder. After that, try scanning again and the error should be gone. If this video helped you fix the HandBrake LIBDVDREAD error, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.